T-Mobile's voicemail cannot be fully turned off by users. It's a network-level feature. However, you can effectively manage it. The primary options are disabling voicemail to prevent new messages, forwarding calls when busy or unanswered, and using visual voicemail. Visual voicemail is an app that transcribes and visually organizes your messages. As of late 2025, T-Mobile's My T-Mobile app includes a streamlined voicemail section for easier management. Disabling voicemail stops new messages from being recorded, but you can't delete existing ones without contacting T-Mobile at *611. To disable voicemail completely, contact T-Mobile support by dialing 611 or using the My T-Mobile app to request deactivation. This prevents any new messages from being recorded. As an alternative, forward calls when your line is busy or unanswered using codes like 94 followed by a number for busy calls and 92 followed by a number for unanswered calls. For example, dial 92 followed by your business number to forward unanswered calls. Configure these settings via your phone's dialer or the T-Mobile app. T-Mobile offers visual voicemail, a free app-based alternative that transcribes and organizes messages without dialing in. It requires a data connection and stores messages for 30 days with upgrade options.